we're looking down at our local train station. It's been shut down for a while. Let's look at this. Let's read this. Okay, so apparently... Oh my gosh.
Over here. I was in the middle of the road.
Okay, so according to Wikipedia, this train station opened in 1894 and it closed in the 1940s.
When was... I think that's a lie.
It says the last Amtrak passenger train left the station at 1978. Yo, this place is so creepy. There's like writing on the walls and...
like that's actually... I guess people scratched it to write on it.
Oh, it says Rose.
I can't.
Oh my gosh.
I can't. Wait,
Like-
Rose as in Rose from the dead.
Yo, what do you think happened to this train station?
Landon.
There's nothing on Google about it.
Landon.
What?
Look it.
What?
Bruh. Somebody's just
Writing.
that somebody and they weren't there. That's just
Somebody was here.
O-A-K.
Oak.
O-A-K.
I think that's to mark the...
O-A-K.
I think that's just to mark the thing.
That is saying...
I was just saying this was oak wood.
Yes.
H-Y-H.
I can't.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, let's go.
That's a T, actually.
T. Huh.
Wait.
Okay, let's go over there. Let's go over there. So this is the toll booth right here.
Glendale.
Read that if you want to read that. I'm going to take a few pictures of that.
Guys,
Wait, one
look
second.
at the map.
Yo, look at that flag. It's broken. Oh.
I wait. The people that died in the train crash.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, this building. Look at over here. You can see inside the window.
Guys, no.
Oh, I don't like what's in there. Huh. Signs over there explaining the story. Look at that car. It's all messed up. Wait. Look at right here. It's a butter churn. Read that if you want to read that. Okay?
The butter train. That's a butter train.
Yeah, for butter.
My tummy.
No, guys, Landon, get over here.
What? Okay. Seriously. Yeah, I came in over here earlier. We were just walking down the tracks like this. What do you think it is?
It's actually made. That's what they used to make. These wheels of a train.
Yeah, it's a train wheel.
What if a train crashed?
It's a train wheel.
Yo, why is that window broken? On the inside.
Oh my gosh.
Someone's trying to pry.
I'm so scared. Yo, what do you think these ladders are for? This is not even a ladder. This is a fence.
It doesn't say ladder. Because there is
It looks like a ladder.
down. Oh, I thought that was a ladder because they do put ladders on the train so people can escape from the train.
Also went brown.
Guys, let's explore. Play for the numbers.
Yeah, let's go over here and then go over to the houses.
You got two were inside. I asked him and he said no, he doesn't want to come.
The train
yeah.
station closed down because a train.
Now, what's this?
Train wheel.
It's in a train wheel.
No, that's not. It must have.
This is like something else that turns. Is gears. There's a gun in the window.
No, that's not.
It's a flag.
That's a gun.
That's not a gun.
No, look from the side. That's a gun.
Yo, that is a. It looks like a gun.
It is a gun.
Yo, determine if that's a gun or not.
That's not a gun.
I don't think it's a gun. Yo, there's like
Just old.
just.
One time me.
But you look inside the window and it looks haunted. Trust me. Look at it here.
Wait, bullet holes, guys. Bullet holes.
Where? Oh my gosh.
And that door's halfway broken.
Okay, let's go past that. Let's go past this. Oh, that's creepy. That's. Ah, no, go, that's creepy. Oh my gosh. Get over to this bush. Get over to this bush. What was that? I swear I seen something move.
Me too. Me too.
Oh my gosh.
What time
Somebody just littered.
We saw a bunch.
Y'all see a bunch of stuff moving?
And then one's just. But guys, we gotta make this YouTube video so that no one go.
Yeah, yeah. Look in the track. Look at Volt's like broken.
Yeah, because a train accident.
Let's see if we can find any like smush coins.
There was a train accident. See?
There actually could have been a train accident.
Look at that.
Wait, that might have also been why they cut off. Maybe that's why they cut off this side of it. Okay, then.
And I'm gonna get the code.
Here, look at. See, they like.
Be able to come tomorrow because I have the code.
Okay then. But look at right there, cut off the edge. No trains can come on here now. They can't. Yo, look at right here. Look at the bottom broken off.
Yeah, guys, there was. Some trains come here still, but
Well, that's what holds down the trunk.
some trains come here still, but they don't come here.
Let's finish this video. So
Okay, yeah. Let's walk down this track. Yo, let's go over to the other side of it. See what we can see over there. Yo, this place is so creepy. It gives me bad view. This place gives me bad vibes right now. It says, warning, do not... It says, we're not trespassing, trust me. But it says closed right there. I feel like there wouldn't be a sign there. Feels like abandoned. I feel like there wouldn't be a sign there. Look at, this is like... dead center. So it was built in 1922 with cement walls. Served passengers until 1942 and freight for another 20 years. So is this place haunted?
wait, it's haunted.
It says purchased by society in 1999.
Wait,
What?
maybe this sign was built in 1922.
Guys, that means that. What does it say?
Railroad
It says
crossing.
railroad crossing. Where trains come. Trains stay out. Then the
Yo, look, bro.
Lacey?
Yeah.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Go, go.